Surprise! We're gonna go on a hike. We're currently driving right now, just jamming to some music. Yep, I'm gonna vlog our little hike once we get there. 2 hours later and we finally made it, but like the original trail for Blue Pool is closed for construction. So we're actually gonna have to hike all the way from Sahaley Falls, which is like 7 and 8 miles.
She said 4 miles.
It's extra 4 miles, I think. No? Or
yeah. Well, she said it's 4 miles in and then 4 miles out.
Okay, so it's like 8 miles.
Total, yeah.
If we want to go all the way to Blue Pool, but this trail itself is really, really pretty, and they have really, really pretty waterfalls. So I guess the views will make up for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. About an hour and a half in, we've taken a few wrong turns, but we're getting there. It's really hot.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm lost, I'm on my. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog,
I look naked. 7 hours later, you look naked.
I am.
We literally look naked. 7 hours later, hike is done.
Yay.